My August budget. So this is a template that I follow, that I have kind of created and updated since the last time I did a budget video. I like this template a lot more, but again, you have to be flexible with your templates. They can change with time. That's completely fine. You will improve them as you go on. So let's get started. I have bi-weekly paychecks, so I've already put in the dates, so let's put in the amounts here. 2002 3338. All right, so that is my total income from the 2 paychecks that I get. Now let's do our budget summary, which is all the things that come out of my checking account or credit card. Most of these come out of my checking account except for food. So rent is $2,100, insurance is $2,038, groceries I'm going to budget $100 a week. Eating out $140. Instacart is $11. My TELUS, which is my internet Wi-Fi, is $77.84. Fido, my phone, is split into two. $50 is the monthly fee, and then because I have an iPhone through them, the iPhone charges are $45. So I split it because I like to see what's an actual debt of mine versus like an actual bill, like a monthly bill. BC Hydro, I'm gonna say, is 48.29 from the estimate. Apple storage, this is 15. It's in red because this is an expense that I can get rid of and want to get rid of. I just need to get enough hard drives to actually transfer my data. So I really need to be working on that. Okay, so those are my big ticket item expenses, must-have expenses that I can't really cut out. Apple storage is sort of in that category right now. I can't really cut it out at the moment. But I need to save up for some hard drives and then export the data, and then I will be able to get rid of this. Okay, next is debt. So my student loan every month payments are $165.35. iPhone is $45, and then sadly July was not the best. I overshot a bit, so that is going to be $281.90. If you watch my other cash flow timeline video, then you will see how I got this number. Emergency fund was supposed to be $700, but now I have to put $400 because I did overshoot in my prior month credit card. But ideally you don't have this category at all, and this just doesn't exist. This should just be zero. Okay, then I do have cash envelopes. So CPA and dance more course is $100. Vacation $20, self-care $5, nails $35, brows we are doing $12, cleaning $80, cooking $250, planners and stickers $20, birthday is gonna get $10, RMT is gonna get $10, which is just massage therapy, which is covered by my insurance, but there's always around $15 that I have to pay per visit, so I just save up for that. Clothes and shoes at $20, driving lessons and car $15, FabFitFun, I'm an annual subscriber. I've got the annual subscription, so saving up for that. Moving $55, which is going to come up at some point later this year or early next year. Seasonal activities $5, taxes is going to be $50. So here we have it. Now let's check. So here is the budget summary. My total income just gets auto calculated from here. My expenses are $2,862.51. Fido is my cell phone. BC Hydro is just water and electric, $25. And I just double check that it is taking all the cells for all of these, just because I don't want to miss anything by accident. So when I do this, finally, I just bi-weekly paychecks, and this is my budget template. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks, guys.